Hello everyone, welcome to Amuda Academy. So in this video, we are going to prepare partners capital account under fixed and also fluctuating capital method. Right. So we will understand clearly how we can prepare. So let us read the question and clearly understand the question. Then we'll start preparing the partners capital account. Right. So let us read. Samir and Yasmin are partners with capital of rupees 15 lakh rupees and 10 lakh rupees. So this is for Samir and this is for Yasmin, right? They agreed to share profits in the ratio of 3 is to 2. Fine. Show how the following transactions will be recorded in the capital accounts of partners in case capitals are fixed and the capitals are fluctuating. In case if the question doesn't specify anything in which method you should do, so obviously you need to consider this fluctuating capital method always. If the question does not specify, you need to consider fluctuating capital method only. Right? Fine. So the books are closing on 31st March every year. Fine. Let us read additional information, whatever given in the question. Additional capital, the partners are investing more capital in between the year. That is 3 lakh from Samir and 2 lakh from Jasmine. Fine. And they are earning interest on capital and they withdrawed some amount. Fine. And interest on drawings, whatever withdrawed amount is there, on that they have given interest also. Fine. And they are earning salary also, commission, and share and profit. This is P&L appropriation balance. Right. Fine. So let us see fixed capital method. How we can prepare. Already we have discussed in the format video that in fixed capital we are going to prepare two accounts. That is, one is partners capital account and another is current account, because in fixed capital method capital won't change, right? So in fluctuating capital will change, in fixed capital won't change. So that's why we need to show it in a separate account, that is partners capital account. Remaining whatever salary, whatever they are earning or losing, we need to prepare in current account. Fine. So in fixed capital. Fine. In fixed capital, we need to prepare two accounts, that is partners capital and current account. In fluctuating, only one account, partners capital account. That's it. Clear? Let us prepare. Fine. So in fixed capital method, you have to prepare two accounts. One is partners capital and current account. Fine. So what is the capital given in the question? The capital given in the question is 15 lakh rupees and 10 lakh rupees. Fine. In between, they have introduced or added some capital in between, that is on October 2019. That is rupees 3 lakh from Samir and 2 lakh from Yasmin. So first capital, whatever the capital base capital is there, we will write it down. So we'll write it down as balance brought down. So for Samir it is 15 lakh rupees and for Yasmin it is 10 lakh rupees. So 15 lakh, 10 lakh. Is that clear? And now whatever additional capital in between year they have introduced, we need to show that. So bank account, whenever they introduce capital, obviously they will deposit in the company's bank. However, it will go to the bank account only. Correct. So we need to show bank additional capital. So what is the amount? 3 lakh and 2 lakh. Here it is 3 and 2. Fine. 3 lakh and 2 lakh rupees. That's it. Nothing else will come in this account. If there is any additional capital, then only it will come. Right? Fine. Nothing will come. Okay. Total it. Date. If the question specifies, you need to write the date also. This is 18 lakh rupees and this is 12 lakh rupees. 18 lakh and 12 lakh. Now here balance carried down same 18 lakh and 12 lakh rupees. Fine. This you have understood, I know clearly, right? This is very simple, nothing to understand. Fine. So in partners capital account, we have shown capital. In current account, remaining everything will come. So what is remaining? Whatever interest on capital, drawings, interest on drawings, salaries there, everything will come under current account itself. So what is the basic rule we discussed in format video? Whatever income for partner, it will get credited. Whatever expenditure or loss is there for partner, it will get debited. Expenditure or loss, it will get debited. Fine, understood? Yeah. So the company is paying whatever they invested capital. For that, company is paying interest of 5% per annum for both the partners. So we need to calculate that. First, how much is the capital they have introduced? 3 lakh and 2 lakh additionally. And what is the base capital? It is 15 lakh for uh, Samir, and for Yasmin it is 10 lakh rupees. So let us calculate. So 15 lakh rupees for full year, it is 5%, which will be, let me calculate, 15 lakh into 5%. It is 75,000. 75,000. 75,000. Correct. So additional capital he introduced 3 lakh rupees. He also on this also 5%. But when he introduced, that is the thing. So he introduced on October. So we will consider October 1st itself. So let me make some space. We'll write it later. So from October, let us say 1st October only. Okay. October to March year end. How many months are there? October, November, December, January, February, and March. 6 months. 6 months. So the company will pay only for 6 months only. 5% into 6 out of 12 months. Correct. So let us calculate 3 lakh rupees into 5% into 6 divided by 12. It is 7,500. So what is the total interest on capital for Samir? 75 plus 7,500. It is 82,500. 82,500 company will pay. This is for Samir. Let us calculate it for Yasmin. What is the Yasmin's capital? You saw it already. It is 10 lakh rupees into 5 percentage. Whatever given here. Right. So this is the base capital. 10 lakh rupees into 5%, which means it will come around 50,000. Let me calculate it. Okay, 50,000. And again, in year mid of the year, he introduced 2 lakh rupees capital into 6 divided by 12. That is same October only. He also added. Fine. Let us calculate 2 lakh rupees into 5% into 6 divided by 12. It will be 5,000. Oh, for everything I'm writing 1 0 extra. Don't mind it. We'll deal it. Right. Fine, fine, fine. So total it is 55,000. You understood? Yeah. Let us write the interest on capital. So where it will come? If interest is coming from the firm to partner, it is an income for the partner, right? So interest on capital will be on credit side. For Samir, it is 82,500. We have calculated 82,500. And for Yasmin, 55,000. Is that clear? Yes. Let's move on. What is the given? What is the next item given? It is given drawings during 1920. It is 30,000 and 20,000. he withdrawed. So we will show it on debit side. If we are showing capital on credit side, we should show drawings on debit side. Drawings how much? 30,000, 20,000. Understood? Fine. The next, interest on drawings given 1,800 and 1,200. You no need to calculate it. So already given in the question. Interest on drawings 1,800 and 1,200. 1,800 and 1,200. Salary. So salary is income for the partner. Obviously on credit side, salary of 20,000 for Samir only. Only for Samin. There is nothing for Yasmin. For Yasmin, I think so they will pay commission. Oh, commission is for both, for Samir and Yasmin. 10,000, 7,000. This is also income, correct? So 10,000 and 7,000. Fine. The next thing given in the table is share in profit. This is balance of P&L appropriation. Obviously, it is a profit. So if it is profit, we will show here P&L appropriation. Write it fully. P&L appropriation 60,000, 40,000. 60,000 and 40,000. Fine. That's it. Nothing more given in the question. This is very, 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 very simple question. We'll solve little complex question in coming videos. Fine. So total it for Yasmin 55, 7, 40. 55,000, 7,000 and 40,000. What is the total? 1 lakh 2,000. 1 lakh 2,000. Fine. And 82,500 plus 20,000 plus 10,000 plus 60,000. 1 lakh 72,500. 1 lakh 72,500. The same total 1 lakh 72,500 and 1 lakh 2,000. Fine. Just minus it. 1 lakh 72,500 minus 30,000 and 1,800. Minus 30,000 and 1,800. It will be 1 lakh 4700. 1 lakh 40,700. Fine. Then 1 lakh 2,000 minus 20,000 and 1,200 is 80,800 rupees. 80,800 rupees. I hope you have understood clearly. This will be called as balance carried down. Fine. I think I hope you have understood this fixed capital method. We need to create partners capital and also current account. In fluctuating capital method, you have to create only one account, that is partners capital account. So let us start preparing it. In partners capital account, in fluctuating capital method, we will show everything in one account itself. So balance will come here only. Balance brought down. So whatever 15 lakh they introduced earlier and 10 lakh rupees, this 15 and 10 lakh we have taken. Then additional capital, we'll show it in bank account. So what is the additional capital? 3 lakh rupees. This one, 3 lakh and 2 lakh additional capital. 3 lakh and 2 lakh rupees. Fine. Understood. Next, we have interest on drawings. We have already calculated it for fixed capital method. The same thing, we will use it here. 80 to 500 interest on capital. 80 to 500 and 55,000. Fine. Understood. The next item given is drawings. See, in the same account, we will show on debit side drawings. How much it is 30,000 and 20,000. 30,000, 20,000. I hope you are understanding it clearly. This is very, very simple. Interest on drawings also given 1800, 1200. Interest on drawings. Whatever fixed capital we did, everything will come under in one account only. That's it, not more than that. 1800, 1200. Fine. Yes. Next, salary is given. Salary, how much it is? It is 20,000. Right. So 20,000. So next thing, it is commission. Commission is 10,000 and 7,000. So commission 10,000 and 7,000. Fine. Yes. The next, share in profits. That is P&L balance. P&L appropriation account. What is the balance? 60,000 and 40,000. Right. So just total it and minus 15 lakh plus 3 lakh, 15 lakh plus 3 lakh plus 82,500 plus 20,000, 10,000 and 60,000. 19 lakh 72,500. 72,500. Understood? Yes. Then next 10 lakh rupees plus 2 lakh rupees plus 55,000 plus 7,000 plus 40,000. 13 lakhs 2,000. So you have to total all these things. You will get 13 lakh 2,000. The same balance 19 lakh 72,500 and 13 lakh 2,000 rupees. Now you will get balance carried down if you minus these things, right? So from Yasmin's 13 lakh 2,000, we will minus 20,000 drawings and 1,200 rupees interest on drawings. It will come around 12 lakh 80,800. 12 lakh 80,800. Right, balance carried down. Next, out of Samir's 19 lakh 72,500, if you minus drawings and interest on drawings, you'll get balance carried down. Minus 30,000 and 1,800. It is 19,4700. 19 lakh 40,700. So that's it. This is how you will calculate or prepare partners capital account under fluctuating capital method and partners capital and partners current accounts in fixed capital method. I hope you have understood it clearly. If you have any doubts, you can ask through comment and or else you can ask through Instagram page. So I have given a link in the description also and the playlist link also is there in description. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.